Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is part 4 of my luxury makeup try-on. If you haven't watched my massive makeup and skincare haul, I will link it up here as well as below. That makeup haul, wow, it's one of my biggest ever and it was an accumulation of 4 months. But anyway, if you have watched that, thank you very much. Today, we are going to play with a little bit more. I think this would be my last because I don't have any more like eyeshadow to play around with. So yeah, today probably will be my last try on from that video. But of course, if you enjoy my makeup get ready with me's, do give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below as well if I should continue more of these get ready with me's. You know, it's like just getting ready, right? So anyway, enough talking. Let me show you what I'm going to use today. We have two main items, and then the rest I will fill it up with things that I already have in my collection. So the first is the makeup blush, and this is from Dior. I have bought the new color called Charnel 490. I actually already own 2 Dior blushes, so this is one thing that I picked up. Then I really want to try this Le Chrome Luxe Duo. This is in the color Tibet. Base, I was going to use the CHANTECAILLE Just Skin Tinted Moisturizer, but I have been using this in a few of my videos already, so I'm going to go in with the CHANTECAILLE Just Future Skin Oil-Free Gel Foundation in the same color. And I didn't get this in my massive haul, but it is new. I purchased this, was it last year? I think I bought it last year, but I haven't actually whipped it out to use yet. So we're gonna use this together, and yeah, everything else that I don't have, I will put whatever I have. So let's get started. Again, let me just pull my hair up. I don't have anything on my face, only a splash of micro essence from Estee Lauder. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of moisturizer. I have this sample that I got from that massive haul. This is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream Moisturizer. So I have a little tub which I put here just in case, like, you know, days like this I kind of like forgot to put moisturizer. So my skin is feeling quite dehydrated, dry. It's I don't know, I just doesn't feel the best. While that sinks in, I'm gonna put a bit of lip balm because my lips are also, I'm just like drying up or something. So I'm using my favorite Clinique lip balm. This is the Repair Wear Intensive Lip Treatment. I have used this for many years. The only thing that have changed over the years is the color of the balm. It used to be like a yellowish clear balm, but now it's changed to be a bit pinkish. It's exactly the same formula, and this is one of the most hydrating lip balms you can ever find in the market. I don't care, you know, how many lip balms are there outside, but this Repair Wear Intensive Lip Treatment is awesome. When I have like really dry, cracked lips, and sometimes I get, it's so dry, it's so cracked that my lips sort of bleed, and even I get ulcers, you know, like little blisters on my lips. I put this overnight, my next day my lips just feel so much more repaired and hydrated and healed. So yeah, I love this. This is like my emergency lip balm. If they ever decide to get rid of this, I would write in to Clinique and say, what the heck are you doing? Okay, so while that like sort of sinks in a little bit, I'm gonna have a drink. I got this new little glasses. Those are the double wall glasses. So cute, right? I am having 2% alcohol. 2%, okay. Grapefruit. I like this. It's growing on me. Look, I love this glass. It's like a double wall glass. It's so, I don't know, it's just so Instagrammable. It's so YouTubeable. I don't know where to get words like that, okay. Moisturizer has sinked in, so let's go in with foundation, and this is the CHANTECAILLE Future Skin Oil-Free Gel Foundation, and my color is in Alabaster. It is actually a really good match for me. So this says here, an innovative oil-free gel foundation containing 60% water and seaweed. Skin looks totally perfected and dewy. Aloe, chamomile, arnica helps soothe skin. Rosemary, green tea, and rice brands are strong antioxidants. Seaweed cleanses, helps to maintain optimal oil balance. Adjustable coverage from medium to full. Okay, so it says it's medium to full coverage. Well, I've used this before in like they've given me testers. I don't find that it's full coverage. Not really, but it does have a beautiful coverage. So it comes in a little tub like that, which, you know, it's not really my preferred way of containing foundation. So, okay, I have a clean finger. Take a clean pinky finger, and I'm just gonna take a little bit off the top cap. And Alabaster has a rosy tone to it. It's light rosy. So it's more on the cool tone side, and it's a good match for my skin. So I'm just carrying a brush. This is a Marc Jacobs brush. I'm gonna stamp that on my face. So I'm gonna do just one side so that you can see the coverage. So I've only put one layer of the foundation on my left side, which you guys are looking at your right. And immediately you can see it is brightened. You know, my skin tone is more even. To me, it's a light coverage. I'm gonna put one more layer to show you how much you can build this foundation. So I'm gonna, okay, that's a bit much. Let me just put a little bit there first. And, you know, I'm putting one more thicker layer to see if I can build it up to full coverage. This is 2 layers, and of course it is much brighter right now, and my skin tone is even. It feels very, very comfortable on the skin. I personally don't think this would go up to full coverage. This is as, I think, as covered as I can get. I can still see like my pigmentation coming through. To me, this is light medium coverage, but I actually really like it because it looks very natural, and my skin actually looks very, very youthful and alive. I'm just gonna finish off the other side, and I will be right back. Concealer, I'm gonna use the NARS Creme Brulee Soft Matte Complete Concealer in light 2.5. Still an okay match for me. If I wanted to make it more bright, then I would go a bit lighter, but since my dark circles are just super, super dark, this color is okay for me. But if you want something brightening and you have the same skin tone as me, this is not light enough, but it's good enough to cover like my under eyes, and it is a very full coverage concealer, so a little bit goes a long way. And the warmth from my finger is warming up the concealer, so it makes it easy to spread. My skin is slightly tacky, so before I go in with the blush, I'm gonna use the Perfect Blur Finishing Powder, also from Chantecaille. And this was a limited edition packaging from last year. I love this powder. I've used it so much, but it looks like I've hardly made a dent. Well, I've done a little dent in it. This is a really good powder, and they have come out with a new version this year. They have sort of reintroduced it, but in a beautiful new packaging. I am not gonna get it because I already have a backup of this, so I don't need another one of this. But if you haven't, or you missed out on this version, the new packaging is beautiful as well, and the powder, I'm pretty sure it's the same. They have 2 shades right now, so I think it's launched. I'm not sure. If I can find the link, I will link it down below, but otherwise I will, you know, just find some blog that you can read about it, and I'll just link that down below. I'm really excited to put the blush on my face, so let's do that first before the eyeshadow. So the color that I got is 495 Charnel, and this blush, does it have any explanation to the color? It doesn't. Okay, it doesn't matter. Your blushes come in a beautiful pouch like this, very luxe. And I love the packaging. It's so slim and sleek, and this beautiful Dior word here. It is a satin blush, and the color is a tan peach. So it's not pinky, but I've read that once you put it on the skin, it could be a little pinky. But when you look at it up close, it just looks like a beige peach. Super beautiful. It has, it's not glitter, but it definitely has a sheen. So let me try and swatch it. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft on the skin. Beautiful. So let me just get a clean brush. Taking the Wayne Goss brush number 14, and I'm just gonna tap that. And then put it on this part of my cheek because I think this could work as a bronzer blush duo. So a little bit higher. There is a little, very light floral smell, but so light. And I don't smell it on my face. No, I don't. If you don't want your blush to be so bright, then go in with a lighter hand because it is very pigmented. But I do like to have a heavier blush. I don't know why, I just love putting blush. Okay, so this is sort of just a light tap, and this is like when you go really heavy, then you get something like bright up here. But this is probably more everyday. But on YouTube, you know, we'll just put a lot of it. And it just looks so good. You can definitely see that slight sheen on the skin. So pretty. For the eyes, I'm gonna use the Chantecaille Le Chrome Luxe Duo in the color Tibet. They only had Tibet, so we will use Tibet. And it comes with like two little like brush applicators, which I don't really use. And these are the two shades. They are cool tone. This is a taupe color, and then this is a brownie gray taupe as well. Very, very beautiful. Like they look sparkly in the pan. So let me just try it on. Wow, they feel amazing. That is superb. So the darker shade definitely has more pigment to it. The taupe shade, the one that's more silvery, looks more translucent. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go straight onto the eyes with the the darker shade, and then I will layer with the taupe shade on top. I'm not sure if that will turn up, but let's try it. Going in with the Raffles 01 brush, which is a flat shader eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna take this. I wonder if there's gonna be any fallout. Wow, wow. Very pigmented. This is a really beautiful eyeshadow. It looks like the brown is a base on the eyeshadow, and then there's this really sparkly silver gray you know, really like refined glitter, but it's not like glitter and it's flying everywhere. It's like as if it's, wow, it's like translucent glitter on my eyes. It's superb. Okay, so I'm gonna use my finger and go in with the other taupe shade. I actually don't even need to, but I'm gonna tap that on top and see what's gonna happen. Oh my goodness. This is like a disco ball on my eye. Very, very glamorous. I don't know if you can see the difference. Like this eye is now amped up, party eye. This is more, you know, like subtle, but still quite glitzy. Wow. Oh my goodness. Now I know why Michelle is crazy about these Le Chrome, yeah, they're like chrome eyes. I've got chromium eyes now. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. I can't believe Singapore only has one shade. What? We need more. Gonna finish off my eye look with a bit of eyeliner. Today I'm using the MAC Teddy pencil, and then just some eyebrows, and I'll be right back. For this eye look, because it's quite cool tone, but at the same time there is a, you know, hint of brown on my cheeks, I'm gonna use the Hermes Rouge number 17 in beige Bluey. And oh man, I love this lip color. So I'm gonna go in with this lip color and then add a bit of gloss, because this goes really well with the blush. Gonna finish off the look with a gloss, and this is the Chantecaille gloss in the color Blith. This is a beautiful gloss. I got this as a gift from Clara. It has just a milky pink with a gold sheen to it. It's so sophisticated, and it makes the lips look extremely juicy. Let me demonstrate. So this is the finished look. I am pleasantly surprised by the eyeshadow. I didn't expect it to be as beautiful, but yeah, I'm really happy. The blush I knew I would already love because this is my kind of blush shade. The lipstick, one of those things that I'm considering really hard when I want to back up. And of course, the gloss and the foundation I already know I love. Anyway, I will link everything in the description down below so that you can easily check them out. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it'll help me my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Everybody, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!